have a couple quick announcements. First, our website is moving. Instead of being jennyballoff.com, we are moving to www.science.mom. That's right, mom is a valid URL extension. And so I hope that you'll check out science.mom. Please be patient with us while we update things and get our links transferred over. And if you have trouble finding worksheets or anything like that, you can always leave a comment in the YouTube channel or email me, and I will make sure that you are able to find the foldable book or worksheet that you need. The second thing I wanted to tell you about that I am super excited about is a class I'm developing. So I have outlined a 10-week series called Chemistry for Kids, and I am super excited about this course. It's going to be geared for ages 10 to 12, but we go into some pretty cool details. So this will be a fun class. It's engaging. There are doodle notes that the kids can color in and act almost like a treasure hunt while they're listening to me present and teach the ideas. And then each lecture also has a fun hands-on activity that goes with it. So for example, in the first lecture, we go over the history of the atom and how we came to know about subatomic particles and what atoms are. And then for the activity, we take colored clay and toothpicks and we build little models of orbitals. Even though, like I said, the class is going to be geared for 10 to 12-year-olds, we go into enough detail that I think this series will be a really good refresher for non-traditional students who are going back to school or anyone who just wants to deepen their understanding of chemistry. The reason I'm announcing about this class, well, two reasons. First, I am looking for chemists. Each of these lectures has a chem mystery, a little poem that is a clue to an element, and then you need to try and guess what the element is. And I'm having different chemists read the poem and also tell a little bit about the work they do. I have several good interviews already with PhD holding chemists who teach at a university and do research, and what I'd really like to find are more actual living scientists who are chemists out in the field working in the industry. So if you are a chemist or you know a chemist who would be willing to do a little Skype interview with me and read a poem and talk a little bit about their job, please get in touch. And then the second reason that I wanted to make a public announcement about this is because this course, I'm so excited about it, but I don't want to rush it and put it out not right. I want to make sure that it is done well and high quality. So things are going to be just a little bit slower and you might not see quite as many videos in the next little while, and I just wanted to let you know, and please be patient. I'll be posting weekly updates over on my Patreon page, letting you know how things are going. And in the Science Mom Squad Facebook group, I'm also doing some live streams as I'm practicing these lectures and filming some of the footage that I'll be using in the course. Thank you for watching and for your support, and I'll see you again soon.